In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple and effective planner in Notion. We're going to create a planner that helps you capture tasks, organize them clearly, and review your schedule so nothing slips through the cracks. The goal here is not to make something overly complicated. Instead, we're building a clean system you can actually use every day. To begin, create a main planner page in Notion. This will be your central workspace, the place where everything comes together. You can give it a clear title and keep the layout simple so it feels easy to open and use. Think of this page as your planning dashboard. It should be the first place you check when you want to see what needs your attention. Next, add a task database for everything you need to do. This database is the foundation of your planner because it stores all of your tasks in one place. Instead of scattering to-dos across different pages, you'll keep them together in a single system. That makes it much easier to search, sort, filter, and manage your work over time. After that, add due dates or schedule dates for each task. Dates give your tasks a clear place in time, which helps you move from a vague to-do list to an actual plan. You can use due dates for deadlines or schedule dates for when you intend to work on something. Even if not every task needs an exact deadline, adding dates where possible makes your planner far more useful. Once your tasks have dates, create views like today, this week, calendar, or board. These views let you look at the same information in different ways depending on what you need at the moment. A today view helps you focus on what matters right now. A this week view gives you a broader picture of upcoming work. A calendar view is helpful for seeing timing visually, and a board view can make it easier to track progress at a glance. Then add priority or status fields to organize tasks. Priority helps you decide what matters most, while status shows where each task stands, whether it hasn't been started, is in progress, or is complete. These fields make your planner more actionable because you're not just storing tasks, you're actively managing them. To keep the system working, check your planner every day and update task status. This daily review keeps your planner accurate and helps you stay realistic about what you can accomplish. It only takes a few minutes, but it makes a big difference. Finally, review the week and move unfinished tasks forward. A weekly review helps you reset, reflect on progress, and prepare for what's next. If something didn't get done, simply reschedule it thoughtfully so your planner stays current and useful. And that's it. With this setup, you'll have a Notion planner that's simple, organized, and easy to maintain.